Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 1.6 in a class of their own, part first from standard 7th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 7वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.6 इन अ क्लास ऑफ देअर ओन भाग 1 या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. Question number 1. Read aloud the two conversations in this part. या भागातील पुढील दोन संवाद वाचा. A. Between Mrs. Desai and her students. Answer. Are you angry with us, madam? Someone asked. No, not at all. But you don't feel proud of us anymore. Susmita said in a low, soft voice. No, Susmita, you are my class and I will always want to be proud of you. Come on now, let us go back to our studies. Question B. Between Asmita and Snehal. Answer. We waited after school and talked about this. Did you notice what Desai ma'am said, Asmita? Asked Snehal. She said, I will always want to be proud of you. She didn't say, I am proud of you. What do you expect? I said, so many of us fail, so many miss the test. How do you expect her to be proud of us? Next question. Question number 2. Say whether the following sentences are right or wrong. खालील वाक्ये बरोबर आहेत की चूक आहेत ते लिहा. करेक्ट द रॉंग वन्स अँड राईट देम डाऊन. आणि चुकीची वाक्ये बरोबर करून पुन्हा लिहा. A. There are both boys and girls in the class. Answer. Right. B. They never quarrel. Answer. Wrong. Correct sentence. Sometimes they quarrel. C. Their teachers never shout at them. Answer. Wrong. Correct sentence. Their teachers shout at them. D. There was no unity among the students in the class. Answer. Wrong. Correct sentence. There was unity among the students. E. Susmita spoke to the teacher in a low, soft voice. Answer. Right. And yep, Asmita is telling us their story. Answer. Right. Next question. Question number 3. Discuss the following questions. पुढील प्रश्नांची चर्चा करा. A. Why does Mrs. Desai's class like her? वर्गाला श्रीमती देसाई मॅडम का आवडतात? Answer. Mrs. Desai is proud of the class in spite of the thing that teachers worry about. She likes their unity. She addresses them respectfully and lovingly. She was sorry for their poor result but didn't scold or punish them. She still wanted to be proud of them. The class liked this kind of attitude of their teacher, so Mrs. Desai's class like her. Next question. Question B. Should Mrs. Desai have been angry or unhappy? श्रीमती देसाईंनी रागवायला किंवा दुःखी असायला हवे होते का? Answer. Yes. Mrs. Desai should have been angry or unhappy because students of her class did not do well in the test and some of them had not appeared for the test. Next question. Question number 4. Use the information to make meaningful sentences using the following adverbs. खाली दिलेले adverbs म्हणजेच क्रियाविशेषण वापरून अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य तयार करा. Words. A. Always. B. Regularly. C. Sometimes and D. Never. Answer. A. Always. 1. I always exercise in the morning. 2. I always wake up at 6 a.m. at morning. B. Regularly. 1. I regularly cut my nails in a week. 2. I do pranayam and yoga regularly. C. Sometimes. 1. Sometimes I help my father in the farm. 2. Sometimes I watch movie with my family. D. Never. 1. I never disrespect my parents. 2. I never disobey my teachers. Next question. You may also make any other sentences using these adverbs. तुम्ही हे क्रियाविशेषण वापरून इतर वाक्ये बनवू शकता. A. Always. 1. My friend always help me in my needs. 2. I always see an old lady at railway station. B. Regularly. 1. We play cricket regularly. 2. My friend do homework regularly. C. Sometimes. 1. Sometimes my friend quarrel with me. 2. Sometimes we eat ice cream at home. D. Never. 1. He never lie to his parents. 2. We never quarrel with our friends. Next question. Question number 5. Write the following words in the appropriate places to complete the following tables. खाली दिलेले शब्द योग्य ठिकाणी वापरून खाली दिलेले तक्ते पूर्ण करा. शब्द itself, herself, myself, yourselves, ourselves, yourself आणि himself. Answer. I, myself. We, ourselves. You, yourself. You, yourselves. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. And they, themselves. Next question. Question number 6. Say the alphabet from A to Z. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Divide them into groups of rhyming letters. For example, Q, U, W are rhyming letters that end with the U sound. Did you find a rhyming letter for each of the 26 letters? मित्रांनो, A पासून Z पर्यंतची इंग्रजी मुळाक्षरे म्हणा व त्यातील यमक जुळणाऱ्या शब्दांचे गट करून लिहा. उदाहरणार्थ Q, U, W या अक्षरांचे शेवटचे उच्चार म्हणजेच ध्वनी U असे होतात. अशाच प्रकारे यमक जुळणाऱ्या अक्षरांचे गट शोधून लिहा. आन्सर. A, B, C, D, E, G, I, P, T, V हा यमक जुळणाऱ्या अक्षरांचा एक गट आहे. याच्या शेवटी ई हा स्वर येतो. पुढचा गट आहे J, K. नेक्स्ट गट आहे S आणि X. No other letters rhyme with each other. या अक्षराशिवाय इतर कोणत्याही अक्षराचे यमक जुळत नाहीत. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 7वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.6 इन अ क्लास ऑफ देअर ओन पार्ट फर्स्ट या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.